Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth on Windows 11 with easy to follow steps. So, without wasting any more time, let's get right to it. Before going any further, you need to ensure that Bluetooth is actually turned on. People often make the mistake of assuming it's on by default. Click the Wi-Fi icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and ensure Bluetooth is turned on by clicking this button here. If the last step didn't work for you, try restarting your system. Sometimes a simple restart is all it takes to fix the issue. After restarting, test the Bluetooth to see if the issue has been fixed. Next, check to see if airplane mode is turned on, as this can interfere with Bluetooth connections. Click the Wi-Fi icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and ensure airplane mode is turned off by clicking this button here. As you can see, mine is turned off. Now we're going to run the troubleshooter. Press the Windows key and I on your keyboard. Scroll down and select Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters. Then on Bluetooth here, click Run. Follow any prompts that show up on screen. The troubleshooter will detect any issues with your Bluetooth and in some cases, even fix them automatically. Click the Windows icon, then type Services. Hit Enter to open this up. On this page, scroll down until you locate these Bluetooth related services. Right-click and select Properties. Ensure that the startup type is set to automatic. If the status says stopped, just click Start here. Click Apply, then click OK. Repeat this process for all Bluetooth related services. Afterwards, restart your system and see if the issue has been fixed. If the last method didn't work for you, try this. Right-click the Windows icon, then click Device Manager. Over here, click Bluetooth to expand it. Right-click your Bluetooth driver here and select Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. Once the installation is done, restart your system, then test the Bluetooth to see if the issue has been fixed. Click the Windows icon, then click Device Manager. Once again, click Bluetooth to expand it. Right-click driver, then select Uninstall. Ensure that this box remains unchecked. Click Uninstall, restart your system, then Windows will automatically reinstall the Bluetooth driver. If you're having trouble connecting to a particular device, try removing it, then repairing it. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and I. Go to Bluetooth and Devices. Click these three dots next to the device you're having issues with and click Remove. Click this. Afterwards, click Add Device and follow the prompts on screen to reconnect it. If you don't see the Bluetooth option in the device manager, simply click View, then click Show Hidden Devices. It should show up properly now. Also, if for some reason the driver does not reinstall automatically after restarting, you need to go to your PC manufacturer's website. Just enter your machine's model number and look for the drivers. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.